Look, I have Hondas. Alright? 86 250R. '86 250R missile. So, I want to know why I can't be on that. Not that I can't be, I am on Honda Hoarders. On Facebook, I want to know why I can't be part of the Honda Hoarders group. They take polls, and they have Honda Hoarder of the Month. I'm doing an 86 to Kate 250. There's the frame. There's the motor, sandblasted up. Some pipes, some repairs. 96 KX 250, 84 KX 250 on the frame, on the stand. It's an 87 RM125. It's an 83 RM500. It's a 87 KX Fat Cat that I'm making. 87 KDX 200. 25-cent Tri-Zinga automated ride. 95 YZ250, so on and so on. And then we got up here, we got a bunch up here. And look, guys, ATC 70, KD80X, a bunch of KTMs up there, 500s, a bunch of KXs and so on. Why can't I be a part of the Honda Hoarders of the month? Because I just don't collect solid Hondas. ATK 406. So YZ80, 87 YZ80 frame with pink plastic. And in this room here, a bunch of other stuff going on. We got piles and piles of plastic off of these bikes, piles of parts, WR500, big wheel 200. This is a WR500 frame right here. There's a KX80 frame, 87 KX80 frame, there's 87 KX80 that's going to go with it, the WR500 tank. There's all YZ80 parts right here. Well, some of the YZ80 parts I got. McNasty Customz. And 84 RM250, 09 KFX 450. Here's all the plastic. Well, there's a Fat Cat. The big wheel rear fender. Here's all the plastic for that WR500. It's all kinds of pink plastic and parts that I've been collecting. Got old school guards and stuff on the walls. Another 87 KX80 here. We got all kinds of gear, old school chest protectors, helmets, so on, goggles, whatever you can collect. Brand new Arai helmet in the box. All kinds of plastic laying around. RM plastic. One of those RMs out there. All kinds of brand new plastic in the bags that I collect from overseas. All factory Kawasaki, Yamaha, whatever pieces. As you can clearly see. Decal kits. Loaded with decal kits. Number plate backgrounds. Had a few hundred number plate backgrounds here. A bunch of random parts. Plastics. And so on. Here's a box of old school DeVol aluminum guards. Just piles and piles of nonsense. More plastic over there. Some of the DeVol guards here. Obviously, split fire plastics up here. All kinds of guards and so on. And you don't even see these things anymore. Well, why can't I be all kinds of decals over here? And then just piles of Yamaha levers, Yamaha sliders, rubber boots, guards for the rear shock, and then this is just all kinds of aftermarket stickers right here. Oh, actually some of them are factory. I've been putting them in. Bunch of seat covers. This is for that 87 YZ80 that I said I'm restoring. Paid $225 for that stupid piece. YZ80 stickers, just piles and piles of stickers that are all in here. Oh, look at that one. First one I pull up. Honda guys. Honda guys, look at this. Honda CR80, which I just sold. Original factory purple plastics. All kinds of nuts and bolt kits. And so on. Tri-Z plastic. Like I said, I got a bunch of seat covers laying around. Oh, here's some bunch of seat covers over here. Kawasaki bags, KX420 seat covers, ATC seat cover. Look at that, guys. Bunch of random parts everywhere. So why can't I be a Honda hoarder? Why can't I be on that little Honda Hoarders of the Month ordeals? Come on, guys. McNasty Customz. McNasty Customz wants to be part of your Honda Hoarders. So, you know, you vote every month, so on and so on. I'm putting this on YouTube so not everybody on Honda Hoarders sees it. So this is why I'm explaining it a little bit. But you guys put on there who's the best hoarder of the month, who has the most bikes, and there's a lot of guys with a lot of bikes on there, a lot of nice stuff, man. But Mitch told me that I can be a Honda hoarder. I just don't understand why I'm not. Come on, guys. Vote me into this thing. Vote me into whatever's going on here. I'm a hoarder, man. I hoarder all kinds of stuff. Just because I don't have as many Hondas as some as you guys doesn't mean I don't appreciate them. I appreciate you guys. Come on, guys. I appreciate you. Hook me up. Let me on that page. Sign me up. Give me one of those bars where people vote for. And vote for me. Come on, man. One of you guys on there said I could be Hoarder of the Year. What's up? I like you, man. Whoever you are, I like you. So what's up? McNasty Customz, Honda Hoarders, let me on there. Sign me up. Give me one of those bars to vote on. What's up, ladies?